G'day everyone, this is the Global Surveyor, and today I've got an interesting thing to show you. This is called an alignment pin. It's made of steel. You can see the arrow there points to a corner of the steel, which this point here is referenced to the building line, and they were put in when they aligned roads. And it's quite a precise mark, and you use the corner here, and you'd use the corner up there, measure between them, and it'd be a certain distance off the boundary, which is here. In this case, probably half a metre or so to the boundary. So it's used in New South Wales, probably used all over the world. In New South Wales, Australia, we call them alignment pins. And there you go. Another bit of survey information for you. I'm the Global Surveyor. Have a wonderful day.